What's up, fellow YouTubers? This is Luke with Camp Life Pros. I just want to take a second with y'all today to go over the 300K that we just got in. We're going to go ahead and do the unboxing. As you can see, I've gotten it out of the shipping container. I will take a second though to remind y'all, if you order Bluetti products, just like it says on the top, keep the box. Because should you have an issue with your Bluetti product, this is the only box you're going to have to ship it back in. So this is what Bluetti expects to see. So right off the bat, we have our typical power station user's manual, and we have our warranty card. Here is the actual unit itself. So the B300K is actually slightly smaller than some of the other units like the B300. It also has a smaller watt hour than the B300. It has a few less features on the front, whereas the B300 has the cigarette lighter port, has a USB-C port and a USB-A port. This one just comes with the USB-A, and it is a standard 12 watt USB-A. So go ahead and turn it on. It does come charged to 80%. That is the typical 80% that they charge it to, so that way when it's shipped it doesn't have issues being at full capacity, you know, extreme heat or cold or whatever it may encounter in the warehouse. But let's just go over a few of the exterior features. So unlike the previous B300s that they've come out with, this one actually has mounting spots on the back. The weight on it is not quite as bad as the B300. With it being a slightly smaller watt hour, that probably helps a little bit. But it is a total capacity of 2,764.8 watt hours with 51.2 volts and 54 amp hours. So it does go on to talk about like the typical operating temperatures and things like that on here, but that's something we'll get a little more in depth with when we do a more in-depth video later. So here on the side are your typical battery expansion ports, your inputs and outputs. Let's see if it's got a cable in the back. So it does come with a cable. It is your typical Bluetti cable. So another thing to remember when you're using these, if this is your first expansion battery, when you go to put it on, you make sure it's in the unlocked position. You'll slide it till you hear the audible click, and then you'll push the button forward. It will not start charging or have any power exchanged until you actually push it forward. And yeah, so that's it. That's in the box. So this is the B300K by Bluetti. If you guys like these videos and you want to see more, feel free to subscribe and hit the like button at the bottom. We will have a few more videos following up with this one. I will list a link for this in the comments if you want to jump onto Amazon, buy yourself one. It's a good, moderately priced expansion for your other battery power packs. But yeah, that's the Bluetti B300K.